IP Singh of the Samajwadi Party is also with us. But Sanju Verma, on the question of 2024 and Congress, now claiming to be a big player, BRS is saying Congress is a little bigger regional party.
While I disagree with the BRS on many counts, and I disagree with his this 40% commission jibe, because the BRS has certainly not covered itself in glory when it comes to corruption, and the Telangana voters are well aware of it. We'll find that out at the hustings in a couple of months from now. The Congress, I agree, is a little bigger than a regional party, and I say this to somebody who told me when I was speaking earlier on that the BJP has been decimated in Karnataka.
I said it.
I don't know who that was.
Lokesh Jindal.
I said it.
Okay, so fine, Lokesh. I will tell you what the definition of decimate is. Decimate is when Priyanka Gandhi Vadra says, "Ladki hu, lad sakti hu."
Decimation is when the Prime Minister carries out so many rallies and is not even managed to get half of what Congress.
Let her make the charge, then you respond to it, Lokesh. Be gracious in victory.
Thank you. Yes. So let me tell you, I will again restart. And Lokesh, please listen carefully. The definition of decimation, when Priyanka Gandhi Vadra went all around Uttar Pradesh saying, "Ladki hu, lad sakti hu," and Yogi Adityanath, the sitting chief minister, will never get a second term. And we actually rewrote history. The incumbent government and the incumbent CM stormed back to power for the first time in 34 years, and the Congress was reduced to 2.3% vote share and 2 measly seats. Decimation is when in Lok Sabha 2019, the only seat the Congress won was Rai Bareli. Decimation is when you say we will win in high double digits in Manipur. The BJP last time formed the government in Manipur through backdoor entry, and you are reduced to a measly 5 seats. Decimation is when in Uttar Pradesh, you are reduced
quick
to
response, and then we'll talk about the UP story. Lokesh will respond to that. Then I have a question for Ishtaran.
Decimation is when JP Nadda carries out intensive rallies along with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, Yogi Adityanath in Himachal Pradesh, but still loses the state election. Decimation is when in Karnataka, where BJP enjoys pro-6 television channels, has a lot of funding available, tries everything, brings about vertical reservation, tries to divide the society, tries to put in every effort, but is not.
There's a question that I have, and Ishtaran, you can come in, then Mr. Rajagopalan, I want your views also. See, Mr. Khadge was asked about the Chief Minister. Then the Congress not even sure about who the Chief Minister will be, but already people in the Congress, Ishtaran, are saying that Rahul will be PM in 2024.
See, there are two aspects. Firstly, we saw what happened in Rajasthan. When they are not clear and the high command, the president feels that there is some other high command. So what is the high command? That is the situation. Which member of the family is the real high command? Which member of the family will have the decisive say? All that creates confusion in the party, and there are two very strong claimants. It's a clean victory. It's a good victory. There is no doubt on that. But the claimants in the party, like in Rajasthan, you've already seen posters from. One second, don't interrupt. Don't interrupt. Does it function at national level?
No,
is
tell
a question.
Me one thing. There is
Stop heckling. It's a question to me. Let me answer.
It's a question to me.
Let me answer.
You object to it. I'll give you time to object to it.
Nobody can mute you. But this is not the way we can
know how the Congress functions. Look what's happening in Rajasthan.
Yes.
Sachin Pilot on a daily basis.
I need to complete my point. One second.
Mr. Pilot berates Chief Minister Gehlot on a daily basis.
Today, as we talk about Karnataka, one second. This is not the way we will have a debate.
Let him just make his point. Lokesh, I'll come to you. Let him just make his point.
First time.
No.
I don't interrupt you.
So you are
stop heckling. No, have some.
I'm not heckling at all. I'm objecting to what you don't know.
So you when you are time.
I'll give you time. I'll give you time. Lokesh, I'm coming to you. I'm coming to you.
Don't heckle others. It's your day. Enjoy. Don't object others.
So they are not used to it.
Let there be a democracy.
Okay.
See, what is happening as you're talking about Karnataka and Rajasthan, Mr. Sachin Pilot is taking out a yatra where his party is in power, talking about corruption. So those are the precedents we are seeing playing out even today. That is why I'm saying, even though it's a victory, there is a lot which Congress internally has to decide, which is amplified by what the president says. High command will decide.
Pranesh, 1 minute.
Yes, sir. Mr. Rajagopalan, फिर आप आ रहा हूँ आपके पास.
Today there are elections held in Punjab. Aam Aadmi Party has won because that MP who died, along with Padayatra, Bharat Jodo Yatra, the MP walked with Rahul Gandhi. He passed away by, naturally, and he had, joined that Padayatra. Today, that Padayatra had an impact on the Congress.